that right now, August 2025, ordinary people are building $10,000 per month income streams. With no degree, no investors breathing down their neck, not even a laptop. They're doing it with free AI tools, right from their smartphones. And today, I'm handing you the 7 most explosive AI weapons that could put $500 in your pocket this week. This isn't theory. This is what my students are using right now to escape the 9-to-5 grind. Just yesterday, Sarah, a single mom from Ohio, sent me this screenshot of her $3,217 PayPal deposit, using just tool number 4 and her old Android phone. Let's dive deep. Before we reveal the tools, understand this. We're in the third wave of AI money. 2023, that was playground mode. 2024, early adopters cashed in. 2025, this is where real wealth gets built. Why? Because these tools aren't just clever toys anymore. They're full-blown business platforms. And I'll show you exactly how to weaponize them. Tool 1. Sora by OpenAI.com/Sora. Sora isn't just another video tool. It's a Hollywood studio in your pocket. Think about this. Period. Last month, a student of mine used Sora to create 30-second product videos for e-commerce brands. Result? $7,300 in 17 days. Here's his killer strategy. 1. Find trending products on TikTok Shop. 2. Generate 3 cinematic angles with Sora prompts. 3. Sell the videos for $97 to $297 per store. Why this works now? Period. E-commerce brands are desperate for video content. Sora outputs are finally watermark-free. You can create in hours what used to take teams weeks. Pro tip, use the prompt 4K cinematic product hero shot of product on marble surface, soft studio lighting, shallow depth of field, style reference, Apple product launch. Tool 2. Hailuo.com. While everyone's fighting over English content, smart hustlers are invading untapped markets. Meet Raj. He used Hailuo's Hindi and Tamil avatars to create a dot. Yoga tutorial channels, Ayurvedic supplement explainers, regional financial advice clips. His revenue streams? Affiliate commissions, $2,800 per month. Local brand deals, $500 per video. Course sales, $37 per month subscriptions. Execution blueprint. 1. Use Perplexity to research high CPM niches in target language. 2. Generate 10 videos per day with Hailuo's bulk creator. 3. Monetize through Patreon tiers by region. Hot markets: Portuguese, Indonesian, Arabic. Tool 3. Perplexity. Perplexity.ai. Most people use this for homework. Winners use it to print $300 per day content agencies. Here's the underground tactic. First set. Focus, academic, in settings. 2. Ask. Generate 10 evidence-backed arguments about niche with JAMA citations. 3. Sell the output as research packs to freelance writers. Real 2025 pricing. 10 arguments plus sources, $47. Full article outline, $97. Study-backed newsletter, $297 per month. Niche goldmines. Biohacking longevity. AI ethics frameworks. Tool 4. ChatGPT open parenthesis GPT-4 0 close parenthesis chat.openai.com. Stop chatting. Start deploying. The game changer? Custom GPTs that work for you 24/7. Example: Sarah's eBay flipping genius. Scans liquidation auctions. Predicts resale profit margins. Writes SEO optimized listings. Result: $142 per day profit while she sleeps. Build your own money GPT: 1. Enable code interpreter. 2. Upload your business data, separated values or PDFs. Third command, create a GPT that autonomously income activity using these datasets and APIs. Monetization path. Sell your GPT templates on Gumroad for $29 to $99. Tool 5. Leonardo AI. Leonardo.ai. Stop selling art. Start selling solutions. Top 2025 plays. UI asset packs for Figma, $79.99. Pixel art bundles for game devs, AR filter, assets for Instagram. Case study. Diego's Cyberpunk UI kit. Generated 200 elements, packaged in Canva templates, sold 317 copies. Total, $18,422 in 90 days. Pro. Prompt. Isometric Cyberpunk HUD element. Neon blue glow, circuit texture, 8K, style raw. Tool 6. ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs.io. Your voice is now your scalable employee. The 2025 shift? Hyper-localized voices. Example. Southern Grandma Voice. Reads children's books, $97 per month. Records prescription reminders. Growth. Hack. Use voice cloning for politicians' outreach calls, $500 per week. Fiverr. Goldmine. I'll create your custom brand voice, $250. Tool 7. Make.com. Make.com. Go from hustler to a CEO. Real 2025 automation. When Reddit mentions product, Sora creates video reply, posts to TikTok, IG, tracks conversions. Client price, $1,200 per month retainer. Sellable automations. 1. eBay AliExpress dropship bot, $297. 2. AI real estate lead nurturer, $497. 3. Content repurposing engine, $997. Chapter Ashars, the 2026 prophecy stacks. Stack 1. Agency in a box. Make.com, onboarding. Sora, videos. GPT-4o, reports. Stack 2. Digital product empire. Leonardo, 3D assets. ElevenLabs, audio courses. Piggy.2, delivery. Stack 3. Local domination. Hailuo, localized ads. Perplexity, geo research. ChatGPT, SMS, campaigns. In 2024, early adopters made beer money. In 2025, strategists build legacy wealth. The window? 6 to 9 months max. After that, everyone will be doing this. Your mission. 1. Pick one tool. 2. Master its killer monetization path. 3. Launch after 1 month. Smash that like button. Tells YouTube you want more AI wealth content. Subscribe and hit the bell. Comment anythings below. Get my 500 starter kit with 7 high converting prompts, Fiverr gig templates, 5-day action plan. Finally, tap link in description. Get my free AI wealth accelerator. The tools are free. The training is free. The only cost? Your inaction. Your empire starts now.